Good morning there. Have you ever had a service that was unreliable and didn't meet your expectations? How did you feel about it? Were you unhappy? Today, we're going to be talking about the 4 gaps and their solutions to them in creating a better customer satisfaction. Gap number 1. In this scene, an HR personnel of a plumbing company is not listening to his customers.
Sir, I would like to bill about the plumbing service that you actually gave to us. Instead of actually fixing our problem, you made it worse. So I wonder what are the steps you can actually give to us so that it will fix our problem. Sir, are you even listening to me, sir? Sir, I need that plumbing, that pipe to be fixed. Sir, are you even... Sir, if you don't... What's wrong with you? Are you even listening to me? I want it to be fixed right now. Not tomorrow, not yesterday, not next year, but now. I need that pipe to be fixed.
That's not how the company should respond. This is.
About the plumbing service that you gave to our company yesterday, sir, there are some problems that I want to address to you, and what are the possible solutions you can give to us?
Oh well, sir. We will get on it right away, and I'm so sorry for the inconvenience. Can you tell me, sir, what are those problems? Can you please specify?
Like the pipes are still leaking instead of being fixed. The CR is still, there's a problem still in the CR. About the system, I don't know, the wires, I guess, the plumbing.
Okay, no problem. We'll be on it right away. There will be no more additional charges because it's all on us.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Have a good day.
Gap number 2, service design and standards gap. Inappropriate physical evidence and service scape.
Oh no, the faucet is broken! Plumber Corporation, my pipe is broken and I need it to be fixed right away. My place is in 865 Andao, Cebu City, and you carefully equipped, right? Thank you, and please come.
Sorry, Mom.
Would you please help me?
Oh, wait. Oh, I do. Lorenz.
What? I thought you were fully equipped.
I'm sorry.
It's not how it should be done, but this is.
I am here, Mom.
Thank you, you're finally here.
Don't worry, I'll fix this for you. You can try it.
Thank you so much.
That's what this company do. Thank you for serving you.
You're welcome.
Gap number 3, service performance gap. Poor recruitment.
Why should I hire you guys?
Well, I think you should pick me. I can fix my hair in an hour.
Yeah, sure. You should pick me because I am a former member of the Encabo. Yeah.
Well, I can turn off the electric fan in a second.
Can you give us a sample?
Sample, please.
One.
Oh, no more.
No more.
Okay. Don't lie. Do you know me? I'm an ex-convict.
Well, I can change my clothes every 3 weeks.
It's good. Yeah, I can change clothes every 3 weeks, Kevin.
You don't remember me?
Who are you?
I am your father.
Dad? No! You have to keep our formality.
I'm sorry.
So, as I heard, both of you in our interview, you are well equal. Now, to break the tie, I want you to play rock, paper, and scissors.
Oh, you're going down, man?
Those who will win will be part of this company, the plumbing company.
rock, paper, scissors. Oh yeah!
Please sit down, sir. Sir, it's been great pride to let you be part of our company. You'll start working tomorrow, and you'll be one of the greatest plumbers in the world.
No right company would hire those people with those types of skills. This is how they should be done.
As you're well known, I am the Asia manager of the plumbing company, and we always get the best among the rest. That's one thing. So now I ask you, why should I hire you in this company? What can you give to us?
Well, I've been working for 4 years. I'm quite flexible. I can do any kind of problems in a plumbing company. Okay, as you can see in my credentials.
Here, you are well versed in the plumbing world. I've learned a lot. 4 years. That's good. That's good. How much would you want to earn in a month?
25,000 pesos is enough.
25,000 pesos. 1,000. Congratulations, sir. You will be part of this company. You will start working tomorrow. Or rather, you'll be probationary for 3 months. After you got a 3 months probationary, if you're done, you'll be a full-time worker. And we'll be glad to have you in our company.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Gap number 4. The communication gap. Over-promising.
Excuse me, can you help me because the flash is not working?
Don't worry, Mom. Our company promised to do our job well and satisfy our customers with the service we have. Don't worry, I'll fix it in no time.
It isn't working!
I'm gonna go.
Where are you going? Come back here, you're just gonna fix it!
Always fulfill your promises to every customer.
Excuse me, the flash is not working. Can you fix it?
Don't worry, Mom. Our company promised to do our job well and satisfy our customers with all service we have. Don't worry, I'll fix it in no time. You can try it now. It's fixed.
Let's see. Oh my god, thank you so much! You
Thank you for
fixed
serving
it.
you, Mom.
Yeah.
So there we have it, the 4 gaps and our solutions to them. Thank you so much for watching. Please support by liking, sharing and commenting on the video. I hope you enjoyed watching it and have a great day.
Plumbing ways, so many plumbing to do. Plumbing ways, so many plumbing, too many plumbing to do. Please like and share this video.